Hello everyone, I am Ashwini and this is day 2 of day-to-day daily tiding from Kisamarik Q, September 21. September 21 is the 264th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar and only 101 day remains until the end of the year. Events: 1792 French Revolution, the National Convention abolishes the monarchy. 1937 J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit is published for the first time. 1942 The Holocaust in Ukraine. On the Jewish holiday of Yom Kippur, Nazis sent over Jews of Pedersty Betsek extermination camp. 1942 The Holocaust in Ukraine. The Dubensky Ukraine Nazis murder 2,588 Jews. 1942 The Boeing B-29 Superfortress makes the maiden flight. 1964 The Malta gains independence from the United Kingdom but remains in the Commonwealth. Births: 1866 H. G. Wells, English novelist, historian and critic who died on 1946. 1931 Larry Hagman, American actor, director and producer who died on 2012. 1947 Stephen King, American author and screenwriter. 1954 Shinzo Abe, Japanese lawyer and politician. 19th Prime Minister of Japan, who died on 2022. 1979 Chris Gayle, Jamaican cricketer. 1980 Kareena Kapoor, Indian actress. 1957 Kevin Rudd, 26th Prime Minister of Australia. Important days: Independence Day celebrates the independence of Armenia from the Soviet Union in 1991. Independence Day celebrates the Independence Day of Belize from the United Kingdom in 1981. Independence Day celebrates the independence of Malta from the United Kingdom in 1964. International Peace Day, National Chai Day, Wife Appreciation Day is on 3rd Sunday of September. And that's all for today's day-to-day daily trading. Thank you.